Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering the precise tools and getting immediate access to the cable. Loosen the seat post collar and drop the post fully. You want the cable exposed at the head or lever. Once done, remove any protective shims and back out the remote lever clamp so cable tension is released. You do this now because working on a relaxed cable prevents binding and lets you see whether the housing or inner cable is worn or pinched. Inspect the entry for dirt and kinks. Now you take the cable apart and prepare the fresh install. Disconnect the inner cable at the lever or actuator and note routing. A small mark ensures correct reassembly. Pull the inner cable through and examine it closely. Frays or rust mean replacement. Cut new housing to the same length, install ferrules, and lightly grease the inner cable to reduce friction. Feed the cable through housing and post actuator, making sure the housing seats fully, so the post finish by setting precise tension and validating operation under load. Tighten the pinch bolt to the manufacturer torque and set a little initial tension so the post drops cleanly when commanded. Cycle the post 10 to 15 times to let the system bed in. Make sure it reaches full travel and returns smoothly. If the post is sticky or slow, recheck cable seating and lubrication and inspect the actuator for contamination. If that fails, replacing the sealed cartridge or the entire cable assembly usually fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.